What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are blessed. It's been a while since I posted a video. I just haven't really had the energy or the motivation to post here on YouTube. But today we're gonna enjoy the day. Beautiful weather. Finally, bro. April. We just had snow not too long ago. I left the mailbox open. And yeah, it was weird because these past couple of days have been super freaking cold. So our neighbor was there.
Hi guys.
Want to say hi to the camera? Shorty's here, acting all cute and shit.
All blue and everything.
You wearing all blue, I'm wearing all black.
I know, but it looks cute.
And we're going to this new gym, guys, that looks super sick. They just opened in Woodham, New Hampshire. I think that's how you pronounce it, but yeah. So we're gonna go there and check it out, see how it is. We're gonna have a nasty leg day. Hopefully I can go heavy because I feel like I do rest my legs pretty good. Put your seatbelt on, please. Because I do feel like I rest my legs pretty good. I hit legs twice a week, so. But we're 24 minutes out, 20 miles away, which is low-key far, I'm not gonna lie. If this gym was closer, I would definitely go to this gym as a full-time gym, but the thing is, it's just too far. It's too far. Ain't no way I'm getting out of work, drive an hour away to get to the gym, and then having to drive 20 miles to get back home again. Nah, bro, it's gonna be too much. I think I might sign up for this gym, bro. This gym is really nice. The owner is super cool. So, yeah, nothing much to say. We're just gonna have a nice little
Friday.
Today's Friday too, so pretty cool. Everyone is doing their roof. Ooh, new roof in that crib. Okay, okay. I low-key want to get a pool this summer. Low-key, low-key. I ain't gonna lie. And I got a couple of projects to do at the crib and stuff like that. So see you guys when we get there. I'll probably show you guys a little drive because I know we're gonna go through probably nice little areas. Because New Hampshire, that's the thing about New Hampshire. If you really want to go to a state that's really nice and calm and stress-free, I feel like New Hampshire is the way to go. But you want to live like, you know, in like the wood areas and like, you know what I'm saying? The jungle type shit. But everything out here is pretty much fucking woods, which is pretty sick. But let's head to the gym now. Catch you guys later. All right, guys, we made it to the gym. I'm about to go inside. Let me show you guys how it looks. Right here, it's called Level Up. Fire. All right, we're gonna go see how it is. Let's have a good workout. We are inside, and this gym is beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys the equipment and go through the leg workout. I think it was his wife, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not, I'm sorry, but she was really nice too at the front desk. If we need anything, to let her know. It's gonna be a free day pass too as well for us. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, baby. All right, let me show you guys the entrance, how it looks. Come. All right, so when you come in, you get this. Bunch of cardio machines. Pretty sick. Shayla might be doing this one today. It's a hip thrust, calf raise, leg press. Huh? Yeah, sir, it was upstairs. You get the gym workouts here, YouTube gym workouts. All right, we're about to go and hit our workout. First workout in this joint. I want to go heavy as I can. I want to get a nasty pump. Come on. Bro. It's only 130, bro, and it's super heavy. I don't know if this is kilos. I think it's kilos. Hey. One more like that, we're done. Seated leg curls. This machine is so nice. You can adjust this, and the entire arm here, which is pretty lit. I can actually bring this in one more, low key. Boom. Right here. Bring my ass more back. Put this down. You always want to push, like, yeah, there you go, one more. Nice and close. I like them nice and close. Bring your tippy toes as far as back as you can. Like that, you get a super good stretch on your hamstrings. Came off one. That was the first working set. That was good. I'm gonna go as heavy as I can, 200 pounds. One thing I've been doing a lot of is I've been controlling the eccentrics of almost every workout I do. It could be bicep curls, could be anything. Always try to control the weight as much as I can. So that's what I've been doing, even if the weight is super, super heavy. If it doesn't let me do it because the weight is too heavy, then I'll bring the weight down and just hit a few reps. It doesn't even have to be 8 to 10 or 10 to 12. If you really control the weight, you really feel the muscle you're working on. It's way better than hitting heavy ass weight and not feeling the muscle you're hitting, which makes no sense. And that's something that I've been doing a lot of. Now those were 2 super good working sets. So if you have really good working sets and you don't feel the pump as much, drop the weight and do kind of like a drop set. Do about 10 to 12. And also try to still control the weight a little bit as much as you can, but not as controlled as you would with your working sets. This is more of like to get more blood into the muscle and feel the pump, to get more reps in and stuff like that. All right. All right. Now we're done, baby. Let's stay. Bathroom review. Paper, towels, 1 toilet. All you really need, honestly. Sensor lights, so you don't gotta look for the light switch. Oh, it's got a closet here so you can change this stuff. I like how they keep these napkins here. If you're a man, you're supposed to tap it and dry it. Keep that in mind, fellas. Nice little closet. Okay. Oh no, never mind. That's just the this is the boiler in there for the heating system. All right, now they got the garage doors open. Nah, this is a vibe. This is a real vibe for sure. Content about to look a lot cleaner with the natural lighting. We gotta do something with the camera right here. Lighting goes insane now, baby. Yeah. Yo, this might be my new gym, low key. I might sign up to this one. It's gonna be a struggle though. I mean, I'm already paying 2 memberships. Might as well just cancel those 2 and just come here. And this hack is pretty fire too. We're gonna add a plate, warm up a little bit, and that's it. So let's get to it. This machine is low-key heavy. First warm-up done. I might do another warm-up with 2 plates and a 25. So I'm gonna have food to the crib, bro. Got 3 plates. This is dumb heavy. Baby,
dónde has visto a alguien como tú, que camine con ese tumbao, con esa actitud. Dime dónde venden en la tienda a alguien como tú, pa' que entiendas el nivel de tu altitud. Ey, dame el punto exacto de tu latitud, que no tenemos chance en la corte, ni un pasaporte pa' después de la muerte. Así que fúgate con tu folklore.
Need my music located, bro. Tuya es la gloria. Tú eres. I got a part.
Tan fuerte, así que fúgate con tu folklore. Y digo todo tan lonely. Así que fúgate con tu folklore. Yo te hizo de una manera tan fuerte. Yo miro y digo todo tan lonely. Así que fúgate. Vente, dame de eso que tú tienes, bebé. Con tanto amor tú te vas a enloquecer. Yo te quiero estremecer. Después arreglamos con quién vamos a envejecer. Por ahora sigue así de bella pa' que no pasen las horas. Brilla como estrella de...
One more. Christian music, it's different, baby. I might try to hit 4 plates. For this machine to control it as much as I do with the pendulum, super hard because of the angle. Feels a lot heavier. Yeah, let's do 4 plates. One more, come on. Stop. Hey. 3 plates, kind of like a little drop set. We're good. Five plates.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him bustin' up. Potion in his double cup, liquor got him buttered up. Yeah, shitting on my competition. Every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah, turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had to knuckle up. Hey, big bands busting out a duffel. Bloody knuckles from the last scuffle. Putting dogs back on the muzzle.
Bring a bike on the bike rack on the car and go for a bike ride after. That's nice.
I am for real.
For a month, we not a couple. Had to shuffle through my plays. You were getting hard to juggle. Hold up, little stubble on my face. I'm getting more mature. Cut some phonies out the squad. I'm getting more secure. Drop a project every year. I'm trying to tour some more and travel around the world. We, baby, au revoir. I'm booked for life. Catch me if you can.
I'm leg pressing. I'm gonna wear my 3 plates. Oh hell no. Now we're talking. Damn. Warming up with 3 plates? Brutal. Now, if you have one of these in your gym, put one of these on, you're gonna get the best stretch of your life. And it feels so freaking good. Jesus Christ. This is gonna be my kind of like a second warm-up-ish. Probably about do like 6 reps and then go a little heavier and then do about 2 working sets. That's what we're gonna do. I think that was it. Should be good enough. Whew.
Yeah, ayy, yeah. 100 gram popping out a rubber band. Yeah, okay. I'm booked for life. Catch me if you can. Yeah, ayy, 100 gram popping out a rubber band. Never let them get the upper hand. You can't tax me if you don't catch me. Catch me in the field on a route like I'm Crabtree. I branched out backseat, just making them Aggie. You not a top G, bro, you going out badly. Popped a little tab, got me feeling like Bradley. Cooperstown bound the first second they draft me. Paul Pierce the noise with any question y'all ask me. Y'all been popping my shit since y'all.
We're gonna do a drop set back to back. I already removed one from one side. So now we got 5 plates on each side. A drop set of like 8 to 10.
Popping your acne, the money just a perk, but the glory attract me. All the women distract me like Fox in a Safety. It's like I drive a taxi, they left in the backseat. Luca with the Dons, bro, just look at the stat sheet. I finish so crafty. I'm Kyrie with the drive at high speeds, they'll never take me alive. Couple losses hurt, but that could never break me aside. 82 games, no days off on the grind, cause I'm booked for life. Catch me if you can. Yeah, ayy. 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Yeah, ayy, I'm booked for life. Catch me if you can. Yeah, ayy, 100 grand popping out a rubber band. Never let them get the upper hand.
Something I've been enjoying a lot is doing single leg extensions at first. More of kind of like warming up my knees for 2 to 3 heavy ass working sets. I already did one, 70 pounds. I'm gonna do 90 per leg, about 8 reps. Then we just do 2 to 3 working sets, pretty heavy, nice and controlled. And then you can maximize gains for sure. For sure. Chest up. Ten. 10 more, let's go. Come on. Boom. Boom. Now, what you want to do is you want to rest up real nice. Go as heavy as you can for about 8 to 10 reps. Depending on how you're feeling on that workout set, you can increase the weight and lower the reps, or you can stay on the same weight and increase the reps, because that's how we maximize growth. So let's take a little breathing, 2-minute rest. I usually go by feeling, so it depends on how I'm feeling between working sets. I'll rest. If I feel good, it could be a minute, it could be 30 seconds, I don't care. If I feel good to go again with more weight or more reps, then I'll go ahead and do it. Or 2 to 3 working sets, around there. I know myself, probably do 3, just because my legs are super small, and every time I think about my legs being small, I just wanna go crazy. It's funny, because my legs are much smaller. I think my legs, I'm pretty insecure about my legs. That's why I rarely wear shorts. Mostly my calves. Literally, leg day is my favorite day is leg day. And they don't grow. Vamos esteroide. 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 50 minutes. Nah, I only do 30. I gotta do calf raises, gang. Yeah, maybe seated. Yo tengo una para acá, güey. Si pana, casi no tengo pana. It's too heavy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I'm burnt. Ooh. Fuck. Shit. Ow. Oh. That hurts. Oh, that burns. Shit. You can't even see my striations. All right, guys, we're done with the workout. About to get out of here. Yes, sir. All right, so we're getting some food. Came to this place called Cava for the first time. We're gonna try it out, see how it tastes. And we got a good amount of food. I got myself a steak plus feta pita wrap. The shit got crazy feta, tzatziki sauce, grilled steak, pickled onions, tomato plus cucumber, crumbled feta, shredded romaine lettuce, avocado, half Greek vinaigrette, half garlic dressing. A lot. She got herself a nice little chicken bowl. Avocado, pickled onions, rice, cucumber, some pico de gallo type shit. She also got a fountain drink. Me, I got my electrolytes with water, which tastes kind of like any other drink. Pita, that's all they give you. One fucking slice. So this thing has a total of what? Like 820 calories. This is a must-have after a nice gym session because I'm starving. It looks really good, I ain't gonna lie.
Is it seafood? Good? Let me see. But in Chipotle? I'm not sure what's good.
It's really good. Super good. It's drip. It's good, right? She likes it.
What does that taste like?
Right here. There you go.
Like, yeah. Probably burger. It's good. Like for me, I like it. You probably like it like with more stuff in it. You can add a lot.
It's really good.
You can add a lot of stuff.
It's not bad. This place gets a solid 8.5.
Yeah, because it's new. We don't really know what to get. Can you go with the argument?
Alright, all done with the food. Super full. Not bad. I could probably get another bowl type thing, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
The mess you have in my car.
No, there's a mess here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the car wash real quick and clean it inside. Que no, tú no tienes toalla, que no tienes nada. Tomorrow's gonna be good, you know, the weather. If it's good weather tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. Because tomorrow's my day off anyways.
Tomorrow's Wednesday.
So we're gonna head home. I might go to
rain?
church tonight. It's gonna rain all these days.
Damn, until Wednesday.
What the fuck?
Yo, Wednesday's gonna be 85.
Ooh, we're gonna get the warm weather, you know what I'm saying?
And then it's gonna go down to 69.
That's how motherfuckers be getting sick out here. So, we're going to, I think I might sign up for this gym, bro. This gym is really nice. The owner is super cool. His wife is super cool too. It's more like a family, like it feels more like a community in there. Pretty cool. I might sign up to that one. You think?
Really
The thing is, there's a 21 miles away, bro.
How much is yours? The Londonderry one. The
Londonderry is like, for me, it's like 19, 20 minutes.
But it's closer to you when you're getting out the highway from work?
Yeah, I just got out the highway and just take an exit. Just go to the gym. But the thing is, when I come out of work, take an exit to go to the one in this gym that we just went to, it's like more deep in there. But I mean, if you love a game, if you love bodybuilding, if you love going to the gym, I feel like just going to a gym that's a little further, it shouldn't be as bad, but it's just like that's the only gym that's in the area that if I sign up for them, I'm gonna have to go to that one regardless.
And he said that it's no contract, so if you ever feel like it's an inconvenience for you, you can just cancel. He says 65, no contract for you.
$65 a month. I'm already paying $80 because I got 2 memberships. But for the summer, bro, making content is gonna be lit. All right, so we came to BJ's to get some blueberries and avocado spray. That's it. That's all we need. Shit is too expensive out here to be buying extra stuff. So that's all we need. You need a dinner crab ragoon. If you guys are looking for a good brand to buy blueberries, it's this one right here. Yeah, show me.
Wesley. Yeah, mangoes.
That's it, right? That's all we need.
And the rice.
Oh, yeah, we need to get rice too. I forgot about that. A bag of rice, avocado spray, and some frozen blueberries. And we already got some ground beef, avocados. That's it, right? From Aldi's? What else did we get from Aldi's?
Ground beef, avocados, and sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potatoes too. So, that's all we got. That's it. We're gonna go home now. And I'm going to church actually tonight at 7 p.m. and it's about to be 7 low key. Let me see what time is it. Nah, it's actually 6:17. Should be ready right on time. I was gonna say to go to the church. She doesn't want to go. She doesn't like going to church. Just to be completely honest. Yo, look at this grill. This grill's fire. I'm trying to find some pants, bro, to go to church. Super tight. But this is the outfit. I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna put a jacket over this. Just so you guys know. You know what I'm saying? I got the do-rag on so my hair could look nice. Kind of shaved my little mustache. We call it the door lock. Not a door lock, but we call it a lock. It was like a lock. You feel me? Getting ready to go to church. It's already 7 something, bro. The thing 7:10. I'm like 10 minutes away. But I don't think they don't usually always start right at 7. Probably like around 7:20. I ain't gonna lie, I hate wearing tight clothes, bro. I used to wear this shit a lot back in the day. But now, I'm more of like a baggy person. You feel me? But I like how they're only tight here and not like right at this section, because tight on the bottom is brutal. This is the jacket I'm gonna wear, which I think is pretty, it's a large. It's gonna be big enough where it's gonna cover me everywhere. Damn, this is low-key too big, I ain't gonna lie. But we're going to church, so I don't think it really matters. Damn, this is low-key too big, bro. Nah, it's too big. Nah, I don't think it goes with this. I think this is a good fit. I ain't gonna lie. To go to church, I think it's really nice. Now I got this freaking line out of my forehead, bro. Hate that. I think this is good. It covers me pretty well. I don't want to be showing my booty at church, you feel me? Show you guys the cologne I'm gonna wear. Yeah, right here. This one, pretty good. Most Wanted. I want to smell good. You feel me? Some chapstick for the lips. Beef tallow. Face moisturizer. If you want to get it. Link on TikTok video. Link on. It's link on my TikTok shop here. If you want to get it. What do you guys think? Pretty nice. This is a fit for church. So I'm gonna get out of here and. This is it for the video, guys. So I'm just gonna go to church and just end the night there. And other than that, we're gonna come home later, eat some ground beef and white rice. Yum, amazing. So let's get out of here. All done with the video. Like I always say, stay humble, stay blessed. See you guys on the next. Peace. Love, guys.